My name is Anthony P. Newman, Major in the United States Army, assigned to 1st Stryker Brigade Combat Team, 7th Infantry Division, at a Joint Base Lewis McChord in Washington. My assignment is the Brigade S4. It's the Senior Logistics Officer on the brigade staff. Today we're downloading cargo in Thailand for our Cobra Gold 2016. It is the first phase of operation in Pacific Pathways 16-01. Right now, container equipment is being operated from load on, load off on the front end of the vessel and roll on, roll off from the rear of the vessel. This process started roughly 6 to 8 months ago in the planning of 1601 when we were assigned as the Stryker Brigade Combat Team that would be operating as part of a joint task force. With us, we have 1 infantry battalion, and we also have an aviation task force assigned to Task Force Ghost, which is our Stryker Brigade Combat Team. Additionally, we have enablers from the Marine Corps, as well as engineers at a 25th Infantry Division that'll be operating in this phase. Coordinating a joint capacity here really teaches us as the United States Army how to operate in a real-world environment. We can't believe that we're one force operating across the world. Without our enablers from the Marine Corps, from our sister components in the United States Army, as well as our strategic operators in military surface deployment, SDDC, as well as military Sea Lift Command, we really can't operate unless we work together as a force. Pathways teaches us how to deploy rapidly, how to build combat power, and most importantly, deploy readiness across the world. Joint operations teaches us readiness, as I stated earlier. Without the ability to work with our sister forces, as well as the joint enablers at the operational level and strategic level, we can't do it by ourselves. As you see behind me, the USNS Pless is not an Army vessel. Being able to operate and integrate with the crew of that vessel, as well as with our strategic enablers, truly builds readiness across the Pacific and gives us the ability to project combat power, and then most importantly, operate with the Kingdom of Thailand and their wonderful military here. As we deploy, we're comfortable operating as an Army, a Marine Corps, and a Navy. What we're not comfortable in is actually operating together. And right now, with the cooperation from our Marine Corps partners who are helping us with vessel operations, and that's their subject matter expertise, that's their comfort zone, as well as our ground operations and deployment, it truly shows what this force is capable of doing as the United States military. The most important thing we're doing here is building readiness and partnering with our strategic partners, both from the U.S. military standpoint, as well as the Kingdom of Thailand. The ability to come here and work with the Thai Navy at this port is truly exceptional. If we can continue to build off that, build the relationships needed in the Pacific, there's nothing our nations can't do.